Question number 1, exercise 4.3. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. Okay. Sum number 1, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So, यहाँ पे जो ये quadratic equation है, that is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So, this can be written as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So, अब यहाँ पे a क्या है, b क्या है, c क्या है, वो भी ले लेते हैं. So that helps us to find the d by putting the values. Okay. So, a is equal to b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Okay. So, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 5. Therefore, discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. अब b की वैल्यू क्या है? minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 5. Okay. So this is 9. 3 square is 9. Minus है. Minus eliminate हो जाएगा. जब हम square करेंगे तो this would become 9. Minus 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. So this is equal to minus 31. Okay. Now in this case, d is minus 31 and it is less than 0. Okay. So d is, this implies that d is less than 0. Okay. When d is less than 0, there are no real roots for the quadratic equation. Therefore, there are no real roots for the quadratic equation. This is our answer. Sum number 2, 3x square minus 4 under root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Friends, before we go and find the d, let us see if this is in the form of the quadratic equation. हमारा standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. ये एक standard form है quadratic equation का. Okay. So this, the equation given to us, which is 3x square minus 4 under root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0, is in the form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Now in this case, in the given equation, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 under root 3, okay, and c is equal to 4. Okay. So, let us find the value of d by putting the values in the formula. The formula is, see, we know that d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So, let us put the values of a, b and c in this formula and find the d. So, b square is minus 4 root 3 whole square. Okay. So, this would become minus 4 under root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is 4. Okay. So, this is 4 4s are 16 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. So, 16 into 3 is 48. Okay. And here again 4 3s are 12. 12 4s are 48. So, the value of d is 0 over here. Okay. When d is 0, the roots are equal. Okay. So, the roots of the equation are, therefore, the roots of the equation are real and equal. Okay. So, let us find the roots now. Okay. X is equal to as x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. ओके, सो अब ये क्या बनेगा? दिस वुड बिकम, बाहर माइनस की साइन एज इट इज. ओके, b is minus 4 under root 3. Okay, let us be very careful about the sign, so we'll go a bit slow so that signs की कोई error नहीं होनी चाहिए हमारे पास यहाँ पे. प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac 0, वो तो हमने निकाल लिया. से दिस इज बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac 0, सो यहाँ पे ये प्लस माइनस 0 बन जाएगा अपॉन 2a, दैट इज 2 into 3. Okay, so this is equal to 4 root 3 upon 6. Okay, and this is 2 under root 3 upon 3. Okay, hence roots क्या बन जाएंगे हमारे अब? The roots are 2 under root 3 upon 3 and 2 under root 3 upon 3. Hence the roots of the given equation are 2 under root 3 upon 3 and 2 under root 3 upon 3. This is the answer. Sum number 3, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, and the given equation satisfy the standard form. Okay, now a is equal to b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. Okay, the value of d can be found by using the formula d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 6 whole square. 4 into a is 2 and c is 3. Okay, so this is equal to 36 minus 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. So this is equal to 12. Okay, so in this case d is greater than 0. Therefore d is greater than 0. Okay, so the roots are, hence the roots are real and equal. Okay, so let us find the value of x. Okay, so x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b is minus 6 into minus, बाहर माइनस की साइन वैसे की वैसे रहेगी, प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट 12 बिकॉज d की वैल्यू 12 आई है अपॉन 2 into 2 that is 4. Okay, so this can be written as 6 plus minus under root 12 upon 4. Okay, so this is 3 plus minus under root 3 upon 2. Okay, so the roots of the equation are 3 plus under root 3 upon 2 and 3 minus under root 3 upon 2. Therefore, the roots of the equation are 3 plus under root 3 upon 2 and 3 minus under root 3 upon 2. Question number 2. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. Sum number 1, equation number 1, 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, friends, यहाँ पे हमको दिया गया है that the roots are equal. Now when the roots are equal, d has to be 0 and there is one unknown term that is k जो कि b की जगह पर है. But let us start with the standard form of a quadratic equation which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and let us write the same equation again. 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now a is equal to 2, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 3. Okay. So b square minus 4ac जो कि d है, this can be found by putting the values given over here. So this is equal to k square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 3. So this is equal to k square minus 4 2s are 8, 3s are 24 is equal to d. Okay. Now for roots to be equal, d has to be 0. Okay. So this is also equal to 0. Why? Because given that roots are equal for equal roots, d is equal to 0. Okay. So k square minus 24 ये d की वैल्यू है, and this is also equal to 0 because the roots are equal. So k square minus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore k square is equal to 24. Okay. And k is equal to under root 24. अब ये अंडर रूट है तो यहाँ प्लस माइनस भी आ जाएगा, बिकॉज माइनस 24 होल स्क्वायर होगा तब भी पॉजिटिव 24 आएगा, एंड देयरफॉर वैल्यू ऑफ k इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 2 root 6. This is the answer. Sum number 2, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Let us first expand the equation. So we get it as kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So this again can be written in the standard form of a quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So a is equal to k, b is equal to 2k, and b is equal to minus 2k, and c is equal to 6. Okay. So we can now find d. D is given with the formula d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. So this is equal to minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k and c is 6. Okay. So this is equal to 4k square, 2 का स्क्वायर 4 माइनस है तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, k का स्क्वायर इज k स्क्वायर, k raised to 2 minus 4 6 are 24 k. K is again unknown over here. Okay. We are also given that the roots are equal, so this is equal to 0. Let us write d also here again. Why? Because given that roots are equal and for equal roots d is equal to 0. Okay. So 4 square minus 24k is equal to 0. So अभी इन दोनों टर्म्स में से 4k कॉमन निकल सकता है. 4k into k minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So k minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. And therefore k is equal to 6. Okay. Hence this is the answer. Question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, फाइंड इट्स लेंथ एंड द ब्रेड्थ। ओके, सो हमको यहाँ पे एक रेक्टेंगुलर के डायमेंशंस फाइंड करने हैं, ओके, जिसका एरिया है 800 मीटर स्क्वायर। ऑल्सो ये भी दिया हुआ है कि वॉट एवर द ब्रेड्थ इट इज बट द लेंथ इज ट्वाइस द ब्रेड्थ। ओके, सो हम यहाँ पे जो अननोन है हमारे पास उसके साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो लेट द ब्रेड्थ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल बी x मीटर। लेट द ब्रेड्थ is equal to x meter. Okay, therefore the length is equal to 2x meter. Okay, now area of the rectangle is length multiplied by the breadth. So this is equal to x into 2x is equal to 800, that is already given to us. So 2x square is equal to 800. Okay, therefore x square is equal to 400. Okay, and x is equal to under root 400. अभी अंडर रूट 400 है, सो x की वैल्यू इज आइदर +20 और x की वैल्यू इज आइदर -20. बट सिंस दिस आर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डायमेंशंस ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल, सो डायमेंशंस यानी ब्रेड्थ कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव, सो द ब्रेड्थ has to be positive only. Okay, therefore breadth of the mango grove, the breadth of mango grove is equal to 20 meter and length is equal to 20 into 2 is equal to 40 meter. So ये dimensions है हमारे. Okay, so this is the answer. Question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine the present ages. The sum of age of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Okay, so let us start the sum. हम इसमें assume करेंगे that the age of the first friend is x years. Let the age of first friend is equal to x years. Okay, so the age of second friend क्या होगी? Therefore the age of second friend is equal to 20 minus x years, because दोनों का एडिशन 20 years होता है, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे 20 minus x लिया. Okay, now we are also given that 4 years ago the multiplication of their ages was 48. Okay, ages of the friends 4 years ago. Okay, so first friend की एज कितनी हो जाएगी? First friend is equal to x minus 4 years. Okay, and second friend की एज कितनी हो जाएगी? 20 minus x minus 4 यानी 16 minus x हो जाएगी ये. Okay, and second friend is equal to 20 minus x minus 4 years. So this is equal to 16 minus x years. Okay, Now product of their ages 4 years ago, according to the question, as per question, this into this is equal to 48. So x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. Okay, so this is equal to what? 16x minus 64 minus x square plus 4x is equal to 48. Okay, so अब हम यहाँ क्या करेंगे? हम 48 को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे एंड देन लेट अस रीराइट द इक्वेशन. दिस वुड बिकम माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 20x minus 64 minus 48 is equal to 0. Okay, so minus x square plus 20x minus 112 is equal to 0. Okay, so अब जो हमारे पास इक्वेशन बनी है दैट इज माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 20x minus 112 is equal to 0. Okay, so this can also be written as x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Okay, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म हमारी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का वही है, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, a here is 1, b here is minus 20 and c is 112. Okay, so if we have to find d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, so this is equal to b square is minus 20 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 112. Okay, so this is 20 whole square is 400 minus है, हम स्क्वायर करेंगे तो माइनस विल बी एलिमिनेटेड. दिस इज 400. ओके, माइनस 4 ones are 4 into 112 is 448 and this becomes minus 48. So d is minus 48 and d is less than 0. Okay, so there are no real roots for this quadratic equation. Hence, the situation is not possible. Okay, therefore, there are no real roots for the equation. Hence, such a situation is not possible. Question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find the length and the breadth. Okay, friends, यहाँ पे जो given है हम वहाँ से start करते हैं. So given is perimeter of rectangular plot is equal to 80 meter. And perimeter का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, this is the first thing that we are given. The second is area of the rectangular plot. Area of the rectangular plot. This is equal to 400 meter square and area of the rectangular is length multiplied by the breadth. ओके ये दिया हुआ है हमको 880 मीटर एंड 400 मीटर स्क्वायर. हमने उसको सेंटेंस के फॉर्म में ले लिया और हमने साथ में कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग फॉर्मूलाज भी ऐड कर दिए हैं. ओके, लेट अस गो टू द पेरीमीटर फर्स्ट, जहां पे 80 मीटर इज इक्वल टू लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ है. ओके, ना हमारे पास लेंथ है ना हमारे पास ब्रेड्थ है और यही चीज हमको एरिया में भी यूज करनी है. सो लेट अस सपोज दैट लेंथ ऑफ द पार्क इज x मीटर. हियर let us assume that length is equal to x meter. Okay, so from this जो हमारे पास ये इक्वेशन आई है 80 is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, this can be written as 80 equals to 2 into x plus breadth. ओके, अभी ये 2 है ये 80 है, सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 40. ओके, ये कैंसल हो गया यहाँ पे, दिस इज 40. ओके, नाउ 40 इज इक्वल टू x प्लस ब्रेड्थ. ओके, सो 40 इज इक्वल टू x प्लस ब्रेड्थ और ब्रेड्थ इज इक्वल टू 40 माइनस x. ओके, ये भी हमने निकाल लिया. अभी लेट अस गो टू द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एरिया. एरिया का फॉर्मूला हमने एरिया के लिए क्या लिया, 400 मीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. ओके, सो 400 लेंथ है x, ब्रेड्थ होगी 40 माइनस x, वो लिख सकते हैं हम, इज इक्वल टू 400. लेट अस राइट दैट. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग नाउ इज putting length as x and breadth as 40 minus x in the area. So this would imply that 400 is equal to x into 40 minus x. ओके, सो अब ये क्या बनेगा, 400 is equal to 40x minus x square. ओके, सो अब ये इक्वेशन क्या बन जाएगी हमारी, x स्क्वायर यहां ट्रांसपोज हो जाएगा तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, x स्क्वायर माइनस 40x प्लस 400 इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, ये इक्वेशन बन गई. नाउ वी विल, लाइक एनी अदर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, वी विल स्प्लिट द मिडल टर्म ओवर हियर. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर माइनस 20x माइनस 20x प्लस 400 is equal to 0. Okay, so the two factors that I get for the equation are x minus 20 and x minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore x is equal to 20 meters. So x is equal to 20 meters, hence length is equal to 20 meters and breadth is equal to 40 minus 20 is equal to 20 meters. Answer.
फ्रेंड्स, आज ही फ्लेक्सी टीचर ऐप सब्सक्राइब करें, जहां आपको मिलेंगे एनिमेटेड वीडियोस, डिजिटल बुक्स, टेक्स्ट बुक सॉल्यूशंस, नोट्स, डीपीपी और क्विज। और हाँ, फ्लेक्सी टीचर ऐप मोबाइल, टीवी और कंप्यूटर पर अवेलेबल है। और अगर आपके पास इंटरनेट नहीं है तो तुरंत ऑफलाइन सेट टॉप बॉक्स के लिए संपर्क करें। फ्लेक्सी टीचर, द वन यू नीडेड।